I went to Hospital ng Maynila and visited our doctors and nurses, and only to find out the night before I randomly visited our hospital. I was informed that the night before, ni hiringgilya, ni injection o in English, syringe, panusok, wala tayo. Karayom. Good thing that our OIC Director Padilla and our OIC, masayang-masaya ako, siya ang OIC ng Manila Health Department. Sa Manila Health Department, wala na mga api sa inyo. Wala na sisigaw-sigaw sa inyo. Hindi na rin kakabahan. Yung ibang individual dyan, nakapag-emergency purchase. So why am I saying this? Tanong, sa hospital lang ba ng Maynila yan? I don't think so. I've been around the city, Chichi and I. Ang reklamo ng taong bayan, ang meron lang tayo sa hospital, Togmolo doon, Yakapsul, at Kispirin, at Simangot. Health centers, wala rin. Dahil lamang sa kagustuhan ng ilang individual. Dahil lamang sa kagustuhan ng ilang individual na pagnasahan ang kaban ng bayan, na sakripisyo ng ating mga kababayan. But those are the days of the past. This week, despite of that amount, or what you call commercial obligation to our suppliers who pulled out already last September, but nobody told you. Who pulled out already last February, but nobody told you. Because they cannot take